Sewiknew has finally given the real reason for divorce kuna Sonia Madzikanda in a response to the open letter that was written by Bloom Wellness Center. Vataura zvakare vakati vachiri kuramba vane responsibility of taking care of Sonia nevana vachitoti vakamupa 2 million recently yekuti aite zveChristmas ndokupuwa zvakare imwe $100,000 US yekuti achengetewo nevabereki vake. To watch this video to the end munzwisise zviri kutaurwa naSewiknew. Welcome back to your channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you guys so much for support. Nema comments enyu aiwa we appreciate. Regai tingotangira pa open letter yacho. So the open letter yakanzi, yo, my heart is heavy with concern as I write this to you. I've been following your journey on social media and I couldn't help but notice the recent photos you've been sharing with someone special. As someone who admires your success and resilience, I wanted to offer some words of caution. Remember your children. Munana and her brother are watching and they need their father's love and stability. Be cautious of the people you may be drawn to, who may be drawn to your wealth rather than your heart. You deserve genuine love and connection. I'm not here to judge, but as someone who cares, I encourage you to prioritize your family's emotional well-being. Consider seeking guidance from trusted friends and family or counselors to ensure you are making choices that align with your values and priorities. On a personal note, I believe that your beautiful ex-wife was an amazing partner to you, and I'm willing to offer advice on how to co-parent and maintain a healthy relationship with her for the sake of Munana Najoni. Sometimes taking a step back and reassessing what is truly important can lead to a more fulfilling life. Take care, Sewiknew. You are an inspiration to many. I wish you all the best. So ndo tsamba yakanyoregwa Sewiknew munhu anga anyanyisa kuona seva kuposta Lulu Muteke, Lulu watu achitaura trophy wife chichi zvaiva nekamwe kachifino so zvaiva nazvo ndokubva munyori decide kuti se de mambo uonawo zvamuri kuita to your children. So say vabva vapindura, and paminduro yavo apa ndo pavazotipa reason yavakarambanirana na Sonia. Thank you for your open letter, which I have received and sincerely appreciate. It is always heartwarming to know that there are people out there who also care and take their time to offer such advice. Life is a journey filled with tough decisions, and while I strive to do what's best for myself and my family, I understand how my choices may raise questions or concerns. Let me take this opportunity to address them and provide clarity. Leaving my ex-wife was undoubtedly one of the most difficult decisions I have ever had to make in my life. Not only because I was used to her presence, but I love my children, Joan and Minana, incredibly. However, our marriage faced irreconcilable differences that made it impossible to continue. She struggled to get along with my family, including my dear late mother and all my 6 sisters, and the constant fighting became too overwhelming for me. It reached a point where I felt that the person I was fighting for was not making an effort to support me. When the world had turned its back on me, this made the marriage irretrievably broken down. Despite these challenges, she remains a great mother and a good person, and I continue to look after her exceptionally well and respect her as such. We now cooperate very well, and I ensure that my children are well taken care of. Women are good at playing victim and will never publicly acknowledge immense effort. For instance, I recently paid 2 million rand for their Christmas holiday, where they traveled to Vietnam and Japan, and on top of that, I gave her an additional $100,000 for their shopping and for her to share with her family. I know my kids are having a wonderful time with their mother, and this brings me great peace and joy. I try to speak to them every single day through video calls to ensure they always feel my love and presence, no matter the distance. Ngambobvunza umwe vakadzi vakarambana nevarume kunze uku kuti vakambonzwawo mari dzakadaro here. That said, I cannot remain single forever. As a man, I long for peace and love in my home, a place where I can come home to, someone who supports me, cooks for me, and offers companionship. While I respect and cherish the relationship I share with my ex-wife as co-parents, my new partner is someone who I feel aligns with my values and brings joy and peace into my life. She is very beautiful in my eyes with no negative history. I will ignore all the blatant lies that she was friends with my ex-wife or used to buy cakes from me. After all said and done, it's inevitable my US dollars cash nemombe dzinotsika dziri kuenda kwamuteke kufamu kwababa vake kumarondera. Ndichatsvaga ari mapedigree mabrahmani chaiwo, vamwe vachiti kwete iye Jesu achiti hongu. Let's see who wins. More importantly, she has embraced my faith same posture Masowe, which is very pivotal to me. We have a shared vision for the future, and judging from our relationship so far, we headed towards something else than marriage because we truly understand and complement each other. My decision was made consciously and without an external influence, and now with God's grace, I hope I have chosen someone who I believe will stand by me and be my partner in every sense of the word. I hope this response adequately addresses your concerns and offers you clarity you sought. Once again, thank you for your kind words and advice. It is always appreciated. Happy holidays. Oh, ndavunika shaya nekuverenga chirungu chasewiki newe imikani zvakaoma. So baba John vatiwo vari kuda kuclarifya zvavaclarifya vari kuti musikana Lulu Muteke haana kumbonogadzirirwa makeke ikoko, of which akazvitaurira kuti ndandisiri customer yaSonia asi ndaibhekerwa makeke kushop kwake, which is her saying she used to go to the shop. Number one. Number two, reason yarambira sewiki nemudzimai wavo guys, and andigoni zvangu kuti iri silly, but 6 sisters dzese dzinovenga muroora vachimuvengerei. Zvakaoma kuita breadwinner, vese vanasisi vanenge vachida something pamari iyoyo. Sonia akati aiwa dei tambodai obva avengerwa izvozvo. It is quite inevitable that this new woman ari kushandiswa kuti Sonia asvotewe, asi the same reason why Sonia was being hated kwaChivayo could be the reason why Lulu Muteke is also going to be hated. Unongovenga mukadzi wabhuda wako from nowhere, 7 years of marriage, 2 children, you just hate them for what? So no reason yavo. Vataura zvakare sei vakati vari kuindisa mari $100,000 US yekuti Sonia atike nefamily 2 million rand yekuti aende kuVietnam and all. Yes, it is his responsibility, he should do that. Hapana need kutomboudza nyika kuti ndo zvaari kuita, anofanira kutozviita. Nekuti ka ilife yemabhilioni ndiye akavajaidza life inotapira ine mutopfotopfu. Saka you continue maintaining that. Ari kubvunza kuti vamwe madzimai anomboiwana here mari iyoyo. Havatoiwani nekuti vagara vangu vakarogwa naNatodzo. Vanogoiwana ipi? Ivo vairarira muriwo. Nongoti kana mazodhivorsa unozopuwa chi? Hapana. So baba Rijo vamanyira kuresponse vakati you are a breadwinner in your family, my brother, which makes external influence in your marriage so obvious. Being married to a breadwinner in a family is so tough because my family members anenge achida someone like a puppet anonzwa zvichemo zvavo. It could have been other challenges which your ex-wife faced when she was trying to plan things with you as a husband. Zvimwe zvaigona kurongwa nemasisters iye asingazive. Very difficult to perform wife duties uchifadza hama dzemurume ane mari. However, congratulations panew marriage yenyu iyo. Zvekunzi Sonia haasi kuappreciata, it is not true. Social media iri pakurwisanisa. Sonia is grateful for your support. I remember when this question and answer she did, people asking if you are the one paying for the trips, and she said yes, and she is grateful. Say we can continue being a great parent to your children. I think both of you are good people, but not for each other. A lot of men abandon their kids once a marriage breaks down. I respect the fact that your children remain your priority, and I feel finding love again is just beautiful. Enough respect, say. 2 lessons dzadzidziwa apa. Even the greatest are humans too. Not all challenges are financial. However, finances reshape the greater image and focus. How people treat you and how you approach your problems stay important and relevant in every situation. Secondly, the man is just kind, for goodness sake. Yes, the pride does kick in here and there, but judging from this response, not too many people like to discuss their private life. We respect your decisions, and you also need love, and you deserve to be happy. You are a responsible and caring man who cares for your family and people in general. You deserve it all. And remember that people always have negative things to say. Congratulations on a new found love. From what you mentioned as reasons for separation, divorce wasn't necessary. You can't divorce a wife on the basis that she is not liking your relatives well, cause you marry for yourself, not for your relatives. Hey, ichokwadi guys. Vamwewo vanga vachifunga kutoti inyaya yekuti Sonia cheated according to Tatelicious, kana kuti ivo vachivhayo vanga vane mabhebhi. According to Sonia ari kutaura kuti zvinhu zvekunzi kwaye mukomana waenda kuDubai nevamwe vasikana, kana kuti she's used to it. Saka reason yanga isiri yekuchita zvachose, but Sonia ari kuti vakazongosvika pakuneta, akati dzimwe hondo hadzidi kuramba dzongorwiwa. If maturity was a person, say we can ndo example yedu vari kuti ivo vapedza marriage yavo just because vana tete havadi mudzimai wavo, ndo maturity chaiyo guys. Rikati zviregedze. So guys, ngatigadzirei kusonesa. Pachaitika zvakare another wedding of the century, handisi kuti vachachatira kusowe kana kuti vachaita zvipi, asina sister Lulu Muteke aiwa taguta tadrawna kuri kungonzi trophy wife tino kani ndinoda murume wangu aiwa chero kwacho kuvhaibha munhu dzinoenda dzinotsika mabreman, huku, mombe, mbudzi, mabhurugotsi aya akazombobiwa kane vakomana vekujere. Ivo vari seiko vekujere ava mpofu naMike Chimombe, kuti vakadzi vaMike vaya vachakangorindira munhu kana kuti kune zvimwe zvakuitika? Let's hope pachapinda wiki neumujere sisi Lulu Muteke vachagona kusara vakamira. Ende kuna Sonia tiri kuti mari iyoyo iri kupiwa kwauri nase wiki neu munhu ngaazviitirewo kake kainvestment zvaita vana sisipoki zviya, kuti munhu ane kashopu kake, munhu ane chino chake. Usamirire kuti say wiki neu will be there forever vachingokupa mari. Pane umwe musi unouya wekuti mari ichazongopera guys. Remember mari yase wiki neu havana musi wano wavanomuka vachienda kubasa. To leave your comments on what you think panyaya yedu yatinayo.